Hello guys, welcome you to the next tutorial of the React Native series. In this I'm going to make the more usage of the use state function like this. I provide a dialog box in which whatever we write it reflect it by the usage function here like this. Okay, and before starting this I want to show you that I provide the background image and text center. How I provide this, as we already done that how to import the image, I just make a constant in which the image equals to URI this, okay, from where the it downloading the image, and in the image background tag I put the source of the this image, okay, and style this. If you want that you want to import the local image, you can do the same as we done in the image tag. We just type here require, and here we tell the path of the image like this, and image will appear, okay, like I type pika.png, and let's see what happens. And here is the Pikachu, okay. So let's start from our last step from this, okay. Let's start. Here I provide a text view, and here I write the name or write the name of the cartoon, okay. And then the text view also, and here I write cartoon name is, okay. And then here I provide the text input. How to provide the text input I will show you here. Text, just type text input, here it appears, and I close it here only, okay. Here I provide many tags inside it. What are they? I will tell you. Firstly we see what is inside this, okay, what appears when we save this, okay. Let's see, let it be refresh, okay. I have write the name of the cartoon here. When I click then it appears only, okay. So we have to provide some styling to it. Let's provide styling, and in the styling I provide is here a text input, and put the style equals to styles dot text input here in the text input, so okay. And here I provide width 80%, height 30%, font size 20, and margin 20, okay. We have to provide a border of 20, and I should provide border width also. I provide border width of 2, okay. It's more than enough for 2. And I provide border bottom right radius, okay, that is equal to 20. I provide also bottom left radius, I also provide 20. Border top left radius, I provided 20, and border top right radius, that is 20, okay. And I just put save, and let's see what happens. Is here we get the app, okay. So what we have to do, we have to use the state function to determine whatever we write here, we have to show that value here. As use state function is used to pass the values of these, you can pass string, you can pass array, you can also pass the number, as I pass here number, okay. So let's suggest some make the array where I reflect name, comma, and I also provide set name value, which may be changed by the use state. Whenever that set name value change, the use state take it to the name, okay. And here I only reflect empty string because the starting name is the empty string. Okay, so let's talk about something text input. Here it is. Okay, okay. What are the tags we can use in the text input? Okay, let's take on change text. First it is, we put it to the false. What is this? We can talk. On change text is the text whenever we type the Google keyboard or the iOS keyboard automatically change the text if it is miscorrect spell. Okay, but if we do not want that, so we put on change text to false. Okay, and here we also do auto capitalize equals to false, because we do not need that auto capitalization of the text, so we keep it false. We want as the user input, it should reflect here. And we can also provide the value, initial value to that, but here we provide the value to the name only. Whatever in the name here, initial value is starting empty string, so whatever here is in the name will be reflect as the value. I keep it value as a empty string. Okay, you can value it anything. And another tag I use in this is on change text. What happens when when there is a change in the text? So I provide a function, I name it Sam, you can name it anything. I keep it Sam, and what is inside it, we set the value, set name value to the Sam value. Whatever the text change that was in the Sam value, so we set name value as a Sam value, and when the set name value has this value Sam, okay, so it initializes the upstate, and upstate updates the name, and all this run once again. Okay, so we have to also call that name here so that it will reflect the value of the name. Let's press Ctrl S and try to run it. It may refresh. Yeah, it refresh. And whenever I write the name, okay, it is reflecting here, and that's nice. This is the use of value state function. We can also pass the array through the use state function, and see in the upcoming tutorials how we can set the array and how we can update the list and all things, all that stuff in the next video. Thank you friends for watching. Please subscribe.